सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम विनय अग्रवाल है and I am the CEO of Indovision Services Private Limited. Somebody has rightly said that life is not a destination, it's a journey. And what a journey it has been. Today Indovision has completed 8 years. Wow. When I look back at this journey, then I remember a small incident. So at the time of opening the company, when we were opening the bank account, then bank manager told us that the minimum balance you have to keep is 25,000 rupees because it is a current account. And for that, saving account, at that time, the minimum balance was 10,000 rupees. And I still remember that it was quite a riling with him that why can't you keep it 10,000? Because obviously that amount also we were supposed to put in from our pocket as there was zero sale. From that day to this day, what a journey it has been. This year we have completed a sale of 50 CR, and I really want to thank our employees in this journey. You guys are awesome. You guys are up against a formidable competition and daily you beat them. So जितनी भी तारीफ मैं आप लोगों की करूं उतनी कम है. To our customers, you are the reason why we are here today. Every day you motivate us to give our best, to give them more innovative solution. So thank you, thanks a lot. And I also want to thank you to our vendors, contractors, suppliers who help us all along in our journey. मुझे आज उन लोगों की भी बहुत याद आ रही है जो आज इस जर्नी में हमारे साथ नहीं है, किसी भी कारणों से, जिन्होंने हमें बीच में छोड़ दिया, कंपनी में नहीं है. Of course, they are all doing very good. बंदना, अंजलि, कर्नल विकास शर्मा, मनीष गोयल, ज्योत्सना, चेतना, हैरिस, महबूब, हनुमान, भूपेंद्र, पवन ओइल्ला, निकलेश, रजनी, सुनंदिता, मनिंदर, मालविका, स्वाति, हिमानी, और भी बहुत हैं. दे आर ऑल वंडरफुल पीपल. आज कंपनी जहाँ पे है, ऑफ कोर्स उनका भी काफ़ी कंट्रीब्यूशन है. काफ़ी नाम मैं भूल भी गया हूँ, बट डेफिनेटली थैंक्स अ लॉट टू एवरीवन. दिल की गहराइयों से आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ये साल, जैसा हम सबको पता है, कोरोना साल है. कोरोना महामारी विश्व में छाई हुई है, हर कोई इससे त्रस्त है. तो अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि इंडोविजन को इससे कुछ नहीं हुआ तो शायद ये सही नहीं होगा. इस साल हमारा टारगेट 100 करोड़ करने का था, बट डेफिनेटली असंभव तो नहीं है, बट हाँ मुश्किल ज़रूर है इस समय. पर आई एम श्योर विद द काइंड ऑफ टीम वी हैव, द काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट वी गेट फ्रॉम द कस्टमर, next year by 2022, I am sure we will be able to achieve this target. From the services point of view, in the last 8 years, we have added a lot of services, and this year we are able to provide a full suite of services, right from the training to manpower to system integration, ERP and HMS, AMC and technical BPO services, automation, industry automation 4.0, software development. So I am happy that we can provide the full suite to our customers. Our goal in Indovision is definitely to grow the company and to expand the company, but at the same time I want to say that we all should remember our tagline: we work for your smile. Thank you, thanks a lot.